Welcome back to PIPSLAB. In this video, we are going to talk about trading times and sessions. So what we do is that we are constantly transacting in the above listed items. I would take you through how to trade on them, so just follow the lessons closely. We are entering into the most important part of this Forex training. If you were distracted before, let's focus because your proper understanding of the Forex market would be determined if you know the Forex cycle. There are various trading times and trading sessions in Forex. They include Sydney session, Tokyo session, London session, Frankfurt session, New York session. The session names are derived from the major cities in which most of the transactions are done. For example, Sydney session represents Australia and other countries around that time zone. Tokyo session, sometimes called Asian session, represents Japan and some of the Asian countries. London session represents the United Kingdom and the countries within it. Frankfurt session, which is in Germany, represents Europe, while New York session represents the Americas. Forex is a 24-hour market. It is most times regarded as the market that never sleeps because it's open for 24 hours of the day except on weekends. So no matter where you are around the world, no matter your time zone, you can trade this large, highly liquid market. Let's now get to their trading times, because each of these sessions has its opening and closing times. Sydney session opens by 9 p.m. GMT. Tokyo session opens by 11 p.m. GMT. London session opens by 7 a.m. GMT. Frankfurt session opens by 8 a.m. GMT. New York session opens by 1 p.m. GMT. Let's take note of these times and sessions very well, because you would need them for your trading. Also, note that these times are listed in GMT, Greenwich Meridian Time. So you should do the appropriate calculation depending on your country's time zone to know which session you are currently on. All sessions last for 9 hours, so having known their opening times, to get their appropriate closing times, just add 9 hours to the opening time to get when they would close. For instance, Sydney session that opens by 9 p.m. GMT and closes by 6 a.m. GMT. Tokyo session that opened by 11 p.m. GMT closes by 8 a.m. GMT. New York session that opened by 1 p.m. GMT closes by 10 p.m. GMT, and so on for others. Just add 9 hours to their opening times. But these opening and closing time sometimes changes during the summer season. They increase by 1 GMT. So take note. Now there is an important thing to note here. This is what many Forex traders don't actually understand because nobody taught them. It is always good to trade the market when two markets are open at the same time. That's when two of the sessions are open. Take note of this important point. This is because volatility is always more when two or more sessions are open. In the Forex market, more volatility means more money. As a Forex trader, you wouldn't want to trade a quiet market because there won't be many fluctuations, and it's those movements that make money for us. You will come to understand these soon and know what I mean. For instance, by 12 a.m. GMT, Sydney session and Tokyo session would be open together, and it would be more volatile than someone that is trading at 9 p.m. GMT because the market would be quiet. Another example is by 8 a.m. GMT, the London session and Frankfurt session would be open. In fact, even Tokyo would be with them briefly. So you would notice that volatility would increase during such times. Volatility is simply the movement in the market. So as a Forex trader, always time your trading to fall in periods where two or more markets are open at the same time. By doing so, you would always have an edge in the market. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and like this video for more. See you in the next episode. Bye.